Sounds. Sounds of EMI. Hi, Kev Goldsby, and great to have your company once more as we spin and swing all that's new, the top album records of the week.
I hear music when I look at you, a beautiful theme of every dream I ever knew. Deep down in my heart, I hear it play. I feel it start and melt away. I hear music when I touch your hand, a beautiful melody from some enchanted land. Deep down in my heart, I hear it say, is this the day? Do I want you? Oh my, do I? Honey, indeed I do. Do I need you? Oh my, do I? Honey, indeed I do. I'm glad that I'm the one who found you. That's why I'm always hanging around you. Do I love you? Oh my, do I? Honey, indeed I do. We'll have a blue room, a new room for two room, where every day's a holiday, because you're married to me. Not like a ballroom, a small room, a hall room, where I can smoke my pipe away with your wee head upon my knee. We will thrive on, keep alive on, just nothing but kisses with Mr. and Mrs. on a little blue chair. Just imagine someone waiting at cottage door, where two hearts become one. Who could ask for anything more? Loving one who loves you, and then taking that vow. Nice work if you can get it, and if you get it, well, won't you tell me how?
Oh, no need to tell you who that was. It's called Bing Sings the Great Standards, Buddy Bregman's Orchestra. It's released on MGM this week. Each track, swings a little, and there are 12 of them. So get with it. Buy now, play later, huh? Bing Sings the Great Standards. It's the Bill Black Combo. This is the BBC. Yeah, the Bill Black Combo on London. A new one for dancers or twisters or stompers or whatever, called The Untouchable Sound of Bill Black. Most of the tunes are standards, some were pretty big band numbers. And here they get that easy rocking treatment. Like to hear some more? The Untouchable Sound of Bill Black, out this week on London.
Fascination Time.
Connie Francis.
It was fascination, I know, and it might have ended right then at the start. Just a passing glance, just a brief romance, and I might have gone on my way, empty-hearted. It was fascination, I know, seeing you alone with the moonlight above. Then I touched your hand, and next moment I kissed you. Fascination turned to love. It was fascination, I know, seeing you alone with the moonlight above. Then I touched your hand, and next moment I kissed you. Fascination turned to
Connie Francis and her selection of great American waltzes. Some of them songs we haven't heard for years. My Buddy, for instance, great old song of World War I. Anniversary Waltz, You Can't Be True Dear, True Love, Melody of Love. They're all here. Connie sounds as good as ever. Should be a big seller. So get a copy before they go. Connie Francis sings Greatest American Waltzes on MGM. Sounds of EMI. Time for one more, and it's Del Shannon.
I've been in this town, I guess too long. Too many parties and too many songs. Ain't got a job, ain't got no dough. The sheriff's coming, so I'd better go. He let me out of jail just yesterday. Said get a job or be on my way. Working never did agree with me. Ties you down and you can't be free. So I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on. It's been fun, but I've gotta run. I'm gonna move on. We had a big party one Saturday night. Someone got drunk and started a fight. I got 30 days in the county jail. Didn't have money, couldn't post my bail. So I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on. It's been fun, but I've gotta run. I'm gonna move on. Maybe someday I'll settle down, find a wife and quit bumming around. But not till I do, I'll be on the run, going to parties and having fun. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on. It's been fun, but I've gotta run. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on.
You know, I think he's gonna move on. Del Shannon there. His latest album, recorded as a souvenir of a recent British tour that he made with Johnny Tillotson. Hats Off to Larry, one of Del's biggest singles, is the disc title. There are 6 more of Shannon's own compositions. Oh, did I say it was on London? Well, if I didn't, I will. It's on London, and like all the others in the show, becomes released this very week. Thank you, Del. That's it for now. See you next time. Kev Goldsby, Sounds of EMI.